One of the most important parts of getting started with an essay or just started writing is to focus on the verbs in an essay assignment. So we want to look at what the assignment is asking us to do. What are the action steps that we need to take? In this case, our scholarship essay is asking us to do two things. The first is describe, and the second is discuss. So those are the things that we're going to focus on today. Describe and discuss. These are the verbs of the writing assignment that tell us how to write, and they also indicate what we're supposed to write. These verbs can be instructions such as describe, discuss, narrate, compare, define, etc. If you think about all the writing assignments you've ever gotten from a teacher or from outside of school, they've all had a verb in there that told you the kind of writing that you're supposed to do. So verbs sometimes equal modes of writing. When we use the term mode, we mean just the verbal instructions, but also the set of thinking and choices that we make in order to write something. There are different modes of thinking, writing, and organizing, and our textbook, the Norton Sampler, is organized around these modes. So for Essay 1, we're going to focus on describe and discuss, and Chapter 4 of the Norton Sampler offers advice on descriptions. The advice is tailored to students who are writing descriptive essays, but the techniques for writing good description remain the same. So for Essay 1, we're going to focus on that brief guide to writing a description. So writers use descriptions all the time. Sometimes they make up an entire essay, sometimes they just make up part of it. Usually, though, we'll need description. In this essay, you're going to describe and discuss the following things: your academic goals, your career goals, your volunteer and community involvement, your achievements, and your financial need. Description will paint the picture of you as a student and will also illustrate that you are worthy of this scholarship. So go forth. Review the Norton Sampler Chapter 4 if you need a good refresher on descriptive writing. If you can't remember exactly how to do it or which way is the best way to start, this is a good place to go. Or if you need some inspiration or examples. A lot of students like to see how other people handle description before they get started themselves. If you're stumped for material, you're racking your brain for those academic goals or career goals, reviewing the Norton Sampler might be a good place to get your mind going. Or if you're struggling with how to develop your content, maybe you're trying to reach that 500 to 1200 word limit and you need more information on not just listing your goals, but describing them. Or if you just feel like it, it's a good resource for anyone. Good luck with your description, enjoy the Norton Sampler, let me know if you have questions.